going to talk to you a little bit about brushing your teeth with braces. Now with braces, you should be brushing your teeth every single morning, every single night, and ideally, if you have time, also at lunchtime. So ideally 3 times a day. Brushing your teeth with braces, what you want to do is always do it in front of the mirror so that you can really see what you're doing, and also always following a pattern. The thing to avoid is to move your way around, brush a little bit here, a little bit there, because you tend to miss areas. So always following a pattern, and always doing the top and the bottom teeth separately as well. So like I said, always following a pattern, starting at the back, working your way around. I'll just show you on the front so that you can see clearly. Now, small circles like this, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the same thing on the wire here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should be able to really see the bristles get on either side of that wire there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can notice that I'm focusing on one tooth at a time. So work your way all around these front teeth here, and then move on to the inside. On the inside again, small circles counting to 5. 5 per tooth. Then on to the next tooth. So you're spending about twice the amount of time on the outside surfaces where the braces are than on the inside. Now when you get to the back of these front teeth, rather than brushing like this, if you change the angle of the toothbrush, you'll clean those teeth a bit better. Moving on to the chewing surfaces, again, make sure you get right to the back of that back tooth, and then 5 per tooth surface. Same thing over this side. Once you're finished on the bottom, on the top, you can move on to the bottom. So you're going to do the same thing on the bottom, following a pattern, working your way all around. I'll show you just on the front again so you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the same thing from above. 2, 3, 4, 5. Working your way all around, so it's the exact same thing. And then on the inside, on the chewing surfaces again for 5. All the way around like that, and on the inside as well. Working your way around like that. It's up to you which pattern you follow, just as long as you're always brushing everywhere evenly. Now that whole process should take you about 3 minutes. The recommended brushing time for people without braces is about 2 minutes. Now with braces it should take you at least 3 minutes to brush well. Another thing that you can do to really brush the teeth well, and to make sure that you're getting plaque out between those brackets, is to use one of these little brushes. This is called a Pixter. That's just a type of brand of brush, but you can get other brands as well. And what you do with it, just up and down like this, removing plaque and food. It's good to have one of these on you all the time, so that when you're out and you've had some lunch and you don't have time to brush your teeth, you can remove any plaque and teeth that's under the wire. Always away from the gum, not towards the gum, just so that you don't hurt yourself at all. Okay, so that's it. Now you know how to brush your teeth with braces.